Hi, Jennifer. I'm seeing some plagiarism in your long annotated bibliography. Here's what you do to start. You should always be checking your originality report by clicking this percentage icon here, which brings you to this report here, and then you scan it to see what Turnitin has matched, what matches it Turnitin has made between your writing and previously published writing. All right, so anything in quotation marks is fine. But like here and here, those need to be paraphrased or put in quotation marks. That's okay, that's a quote. Those are two quotes. But here, you need to work on those. And so remember that plagiarism is most strictly defined as 3 words in a row, the same as the original. And I would count from here. We're obliged all the way down to here, bad mouth. You've made a couple of changes, but that whole passage needs to be reworked. And of course, finding synonyms is good, but also restructuring your sentence by picking a new subject is the best way to avoid plagiarism. I'm going to show you how to do that, but let's just finish scanning. Those are fine. Okay. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's do this sentence here because it's shorter. So the sentence is, however, by 2002, 2 companies controlled nearly a third of all the revenue, and they ended up merging by 2003. I'm curious. Oh, this has to do with media. Okay. So the subject of this sentence is 2 companies. So let's pick a new subject. I don't know. Let's consider the I would say something like maybe media monopoly. So maybe by 2003. The 2 companies. I need a little more context to be able to do this. I don't think this is specific enough because 2 companies, you don't tell me what 2 companies are merging. I get the basic idea that there's a monopoly forming. I don't know. Maybe the way you do that is you just say, between 2002 and 2003, the media companies consolidated, creating more intransigent monopolies. I used a big word, but anyway, you get the idea. I'm not really sure. This is tricky because you don't give me specifics here, so I'm not really sure what's going on. Let's look aside. Not only were journalists were obliged to dig up information that would do damage to the not sure how that might be relevant to an argument about sustainability. I'm not sure if this is necessary. But anyway, I think you're getting the idea. Please fix this, resubmit it, and make sure that you don't have the same problem in your cause effect and analysis essay.